and today we're going to be making the biggest slime we ever made. So what you will need is any type of glue, borax, assorted food coloring, and warm water. So I'm going to fill up this container about to 2 liters. So guys, I'm going to be making a pretty purple slime. So you're going to need 24 red drops and you're going to need 16 blue drops. Now we're going to mix it. Look at these pretty colors. They look like 4th of July. Look at the pretty color what you get with red and blue. Pretty purple. Now you're going to add the same amount of water as you did as glue. You're going to need 3 cups of warm water and 3 spoons of borax. You see my huge slime? It's so cool. Look how cool that is. Feel the popping noise. Stick your fingers. It's super relaxing. You can even put it in like a stress ball or something. Wow, look how much holes I'm making. Look how that's cool. Smooth and slow. Those are my sister's hands compared to mine. Look at her hands and compare them to mine. Whoa, big, small, small, big. And she's putting her fingertips. You can even hear the popping noise of hers. Look how cool is it? I already spread it around, so that's nice. Whoa, look how smooth that is. Hands. Look at the popping noise. Very fun. Look at my huge slime! This is my huge slime I've ever made. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching.